Hi there, Jen Roque here at StampCampWithJen.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, and welcome to my weekly organization post. This week is week 6. We're talking about how to store those paper punches, and I hope that you enjoy this post. If you're new, welcome, and be sure to check out weeks 1 through 5 that are over on the blog at StampCampWithJen.com, or you can head over to my YouTube channel and watch the videos there as well. Okay, so as you can see, I have the camera on this lovely little shelf. So this is a shelf that I bought from Stampin' Storage. Those of you that have been following me for a little bit know that I am a Stampin' Storage affiliate. And what that means is if you purchase through my affiliate link, I earn a small commission. I love Stampin' Storage products, though. You can see some of the other ones in my little shelf here. So I highly recommend them. They keep me organized. And we'll go into more on Stampin' Storage during my craft room tour as well. But today we're going to focus on this awesome little punch holder. So this is for the lockdown punches that Stampin' Up! Sells. They have a little button down here that you push up and it unlocks, or you can close it by pushing the button down and it locks them in place, okay? As you can see too, I use my Brother P-Touch label maker to label my punches. This helps a lot when I do my Facebook Lives or any of my videos, so you guys can see exactly what punches I'm using, what the names are, and then you can go check them out in my Stampin' Up! Store. So this one holds, it's 8 high and 3 wide for this IKEA Kallax shelf that I have. So that's another great thing about Stampin' Storage. They make products specifically to fit IKEA shelves, because they know a lot of crafters use IKEA products. So you can get the shelf to fit your IKEA Kallax shelf. Or you can get one that sits on top of a desktop and might be a little bit wider and fit even more punches. There's many sizes available. So be sure to head over to StampCampWithJen.com. The blog post that is associated with this one, I will have the links in the blog post for where you can look at the shelf at Stampin' Storage, my IKEA shelf, and as well as my affiliate link so that you can shop through me. I appreciate your business, okay? All right, guys, well, this is just a quick, short video. I just wanted to kind of give you a rundown real quick of what it looks like and what my punches look like sitting in there. Isn't that pretty? I love how organized it is. So if you have any questions, always feel free to contact me at stampcampwithjen@gmail.com. And be sure to join me again next week for another great organization tip. All right, guys, be safe and happy stamping. Bye.